Alex is building a Python program that connects to an online API. Whatever the code he wrote, everything looks correct, so he runs the program. But instead of getting data, Python shows an error. This error is called connection error, and it happens when Python cannot establish a connection with a server. Thinking of it like making a phone call. Alex dials a number, but the call never connects. Maybe the phone is switched off, maybe the network is not available, or maybe the number does not exist. Python feels the same way. Whenever Python communicates with the website, API, databases, or external services, it first needs to establish a connection. If that connection fails, Python raises connection error. One common error is that the internet connection is unavailable. Another common reason is an incorrect URL. Even a small spelling mistake can prevent the connection from being established. Sometimes the website or API server itself is down. Your code may be perfectly correct, but if the server is unavailable, the connection will fail. A good practice is handling connection errors safely. This prevents the program from crashing. Instead, the user receives a meaningful message explaining the problem. Whenever you see connection error, check this thing. Is your internet connection working? Is the URL correct? Is the server online? Most connection errors are caused by one of these issues. Alex checks the network, fixes the URL, and runs the program again. The connection succeeds. Problem solved.